Last class you have learnt fertilization and development of embryo. In this class we will see sexual cycle in females. Let's see sexual cycle in human females. When I was explaining about female reproductive system, each ovary is composed of several thousands of follicles. That means immature eggs. These immature eggs in the ovary starts during embryonic stage itself in a female, that is of 25 weeks. No new ova or eggs are formed after birth of female child. When a girl reaches the age of puberty, only one follicle develops at a time to form a mature ovum. On maturation, the follicle bursts and release the ovum from the ovary. That means the process of the release of an ovum from an ovary is called ovulation. In a healthy woman, ovulation takes on 13 to 17 days of the beginning of menstrual cycle of 28 days. This is the middle of 28 days. In human females, the ovaries start releasing ovum once every 28 days from the age of puberty. That's why in girls, ovulation starts when they attain puberty. Remember this, ovulation does not take place every day after puberty. It takes place after a period of every 28 days, which is almost once a month. Let's see what are the changes happening before every ovulation. Before every ovulation, the lining of the uterus becomes thick and soft with lot of blood capillaries in it. These changes is required for the uterus. Suppose the ovum gets fertilized by the sperm, then the uterus has to keep this fertilized ovum for further development and supply it with food and oxygen, etc. If, however, a sperm is not available at the time of ovulation, the fertilization of ovum does not take place. Then the ovum is not fertilized, so the thick and soft uterus lining with a lot of blood capillaries also not required. Then the unfertilized ovum dies within a day and the uterus lining also breaks down. Because of this breakdown and the removal of inner thick and soft lining of the uterus along with its blood vessels in the form of vaginal bleeding is called menstrual flow or menstruation. The process of menstruation in a woman occurs again and again after a fixed period of 28 days to 30 days. So it is also known as menstrual cycle. Generally, the menstrual cycle is controlled by hormones. Menstruation stops temporarily when the ovum gets fertilized and the woman gets pregnant. Then the menstruation restarts after the birth of the baby. Let's see menarche and menopause. First one is menarche. The first menstruation or menstrual flow begins at puberty. When the girl is around 10 to 12 years of age, the first occurrence of menstruation or periods at puberty is called menstruation. Menarche is the beginning of the reproductive life of a girl. That means menarche is the first time from which a girl becomes capable of having baby. Menstruation stops permanently when a woman reaches the age of about 45 to 50 years. The permanent stoppage of menstruation indicates that the particular woman becomes infertile. She loses her ability to bear children. Menopause is the end of the reproductive life of a woman. Now, we can say that the reproductive life of a woman starts at menarche and ends at menopause.